Do you remember? This was like 6 months ago, and this was the situation. After 4 months renovation, has been a great job, full renovation inside and outside. And please, you are more than welcome to come. You can see how it changed comparing to the beginning. We make a longer step with the LED light. So imagine you have a guest of the villa, you come inside, everything is neat, clean, and very beautiful, very elegant. Every single light, it's indirect. There is no one single bulbs that hit my eyes. This basically, it's what we call the key point of this project. The key point of the project was to connect all the area, kitchen, living room, dining room, and garden. We created this platform that is going almost till the pool. We planted these 2 beautiful palms to identify the major part of the house. And if we move from here, you can see how is amazing the flow of the garden. You can see from here, okay, the palm, the pool, and here we have a full floor that is going to be connected of the internal of the house. Before there were just 2 simple steps just after the window. So the general look like of the villa changed completely.